Adaptation. In biology, adaptation is a dynamic evolutionary process that fits organisms to their environment and enhancing their evolutionary fitness. The adaptive traits may be structural adaptation, behavioral adaptation, and physiological adaptation. Structural adaptation. The external and internal structures of animals help them to adapt better to their environment. The most common examples are mammals growing thicker fur to survive freezing climates. Certain reptiles such as chameleons are camouflaged perfectly with their environment and are almost impossible to detect. Stick insects also show this type of adaptation. Horse legs are suitable for fast running and adapted for grasslands and similar terrestrial environments. These adaptations helps in prey capture or to evade from predators. Behavioral adaptations. Animals develop certain behavioral traits or adaptations for survival is called as behavioral adaptations. Example: fleeing from a predator, hiding during sleep, seeking refuge from climate change, or moving to find different food sources are all behavioral adaptations. Migration and courtships are the two most characteristic forms of behavioral adaptations. Physiological adaptation. These are adaptations of organisms that help them to live and survive in their environment with unique niches. Example: lions have sharp canines to hunt and tear meat and a digestive system suitable for digesting raw meat. Hibernation and aestivations are the two different types of inactivity where the metabolic rate slows down. Adaptations of aquatic animals. Streamlined structure helps in swift movement. Respiration by gills, making use of gases dissolved in water. Presence of air bladders filled with air for buoyancy. Presence of lateral line system function as rheoreceptors. Adaptations of terrestrial animals. Earthworms, land planarians secrete a mucus coating to maintain a moist situation for burrowing, coiling, respiration, and etc. Birds make nest and breed before the rainy season as there is availability of abundant food. Camels are able to regulate water effectively by excreting highly concentrated urine. Animals develop these adaptations for survival and has been evolved by natural selection.